In this video, I will show you how to use contact tags so that you can track how many of your leads from different lead sources are converted to sales. Let's jump right into it. First, let's add tags to our lead forms. Click on Settings, scroll down to Advanced, and here we can add the tags. For this lead form, we're going to tag it as website and website home. Save the settings, and then go back to lead forms so that we can add tags to the other lead form. Click Settings, down to Advanced, and on this one, we're going to tag it as website, website contact. And save settings. Now, from here, let's add some test contacts on those lead forms, and they will be created with the tags that we just set on the lead forms. So we can go right here to Open. We'll create this one for Jane. And then we'll go back to the other lead form and create a test contact there. Click Open. We'll make this one for Joe. And perfect. Let's also go ahead and create a contact manually. Add new, and we'll make this for Mike. And Mike was a walk-in, and he heard about us from Google, so we'll tag this as Google. Save contact. Now, whenever we click on contacts, tags, we can see all of the test contacts that we added are here. Now, let's go ahead and set an installation date for one of the contacts we created. Create a project for Mike, and then let's schedule him. Okay, now whenever we go back to contacts, tags, we can see the conversion.